Avoiding notifications blasts from your smartphone is an issue for messaging apps. For not missing any important or urgent message, you prefer to keep these messaging apps uncontrolled, hence a lot of unnecessary interruptions and distractions. Knock-In smartly solves this issue with the concept of VIP contacts. You can easily set a whitelist of contacts for whom you accept to receive real-time notifications. This VIP list works across all popular messaging apps: SMS, WhatsApp, email, Messenger, Signal, and Telegram. At installation time, Knock-In imports your address book and prompts you for setting an initial VIP list. Select your VIPs with a short tap on the relevant contact icons. Once done, VIP contacts appear highlighted on the top of the contacts list. Since a contact may be a VIP only during a given time period, you can dynamically manage the list using the notification management settings or using the contact details setting. For all non-VIP contacts, the default setting keeps the standard Android notifications, but Knock-In allows you to silence all messaging notifications for these contacts, either individually in the contact details screen or globally for all non-VIP contacts in the notification management settings. No worry, Knock-In saves all notifications in a history log that you can access at any convenient time. You can also set a daily reminder so you can get prompted to review unchecked notifications. You're now all set for a stress-free relationship with your smartphone.